Hi everyone, welcome back to Plutus Education. Today we are diving into a topic that's super relevant for anyone exploring a career in accounting or finance: US CPA versus Indian CA. We'll discuss their similarities, key differences, and draw a conclusion about which one might be the best choice for you. Let's get started. First of all, let's understand what these qualifications are. The US CPA, Certified Public Accountant, is a globally recognized certification offered by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA. It's considered a gold standard in accounting and is your ticket to a career path in public accounting, auditing, taxation, and financial management worldwide. On the other hand, the Indian CA, Chartered Accountant, is offered by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICI. It's a prestigious certification in India focusing on auditing, accounting, and taxation with a specialization in Indian financial laws. Now, let's discuss what these two courses have in common. Both CPA and Indian CA share several similarities, including both cover financial accounting, auditing, taxation, and business laws. Both certifications are highly respected in their respective domains. 3. Both open doors to roles in public accounting, auditing, and corporate finance. And finally, professionals with either certification command attractive salaries in their markets. However, despite these similarities, the two differ significantly in structure, scope, and global value. Now, let's break down the difference. Number 1. Exam structure. The US CPA exam has 4 sections, and that you can complete in 12 to 18 months, while the Indian CA has 3 levels: Foundation, Intermediate, and Final, which can take 4 to 5 years or even more. Eligibility. To pursue CPA, you need a bachelor's degree, whereas CA can be pursued right after 12th grade or graduation. The third difference is the global recognition. The CPA certification is globally accepted, opening doors in countries like US, Canada, Australia, and the Middle East. The Indian CA is more region-specific and primarily recognized in India. Fourth difference is work flexibility. CPAs often work with multinational companies, Big Four firms, and globally expand businesses. CAs tend to focus on Indian laws, which may limit their global mobility unless they pursue additional qualifications. And the last difference is the cost. The CPA exams cost around $3,000 to $4,000, including materials and fees. The CA qualification is more affordable, but the longer duration can mean higher opportunity costs. Now, here are a few reasons why more and more people are now inclined towards US CPA and are not as convinced to pursue CA. CPAs are highly sought after by global companies, making it the ideal choice for those looking to work abroad or with multinational firms. Also, with a streamlined exam structure, you can become a CPA in just over a year compared to the long journey of becoming a CPA. I'm sure each one of us knows somebody who is stuck with the CA. Additionally, CPAs have a broader skill set and expertise in international standards like US GAAP and IFRS, giving them an edge in the global markets. And finally, the time and financial investment in a CPA often lead to quicker returns in terms of higher salaries and job placements. To sum it up, the Indian CA is an excellent choice if you want to build a career in India with expertise in Indian laws. However, if your goal is global recognition, faster career progression, and higher earning potential, the US CPA is undoubtedly the better choice. Ultimately, the decision depends on your career aspirations. Which one do you think aligns the best with your goals? Let us know in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Plutus Education for more career advice and guidance. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.